In this video, I will show you how to connect hotspot to your computer or PC or your laptop. This will enable you to use your mobile internet on your PC. In order to do that, you just have to get your phone, and once you get your phone, open your phone settings. On your phone settings, tap on connections. Once you get over to connections, you see mobile hotspot and tethering. Here you just need to tap on this mobile hotspot and tethering, and then tap on this mobile hotspot. Here now you have to do some configuration by setting the network name and the network password. Now click on configure. Here you have to put the name of the network that you want this hotspot to be discovered with. Once you have done that, you have to make sure you select this WPA to PSK. With this, it will enable you to set a password to this hotspot. If you select open, the network will be open and anyone can simply connect without restriction to the hotspot that you will share. Now, having selected this WPA2 PSK, tap on this password area and then edit it to the password you want it to be. Let's say you want the password to be this. You just simply type the password, and the moment you are done, you hit on this save. This password has been saved with the network name. If you are done with this, the next thing you need to do is for you to tap on this area where we have off and on. Tap on it, and with this you have on this mobile hotspot. You can see the icon at this edge. Once you are done with that, you just have to get over to your PC and you discover this hotspot that is already shared in your PC. Now let's get over to our PC and complete the process. Once you open your system, you go over to this taskbar and then you can see your network icon here. You just simply have to click on it, and once you have clicked on it, click on this available to see the available networks that has been shared. You can see the one that we just shared right now. You just simply click on it, then click connect. This will prompt you to enter the password of that particular hotspot that we've shared. So what you just need to do right now is to input that password here, and then once you are done, you just click on next. This will get connected to your system, and then you can see it is already connected, and you can see that the icon has actually changed. And so with this right now, you can just simply browse out any website you wish to go to, and then you can possibly come here and just check on any web page you wish to go to. You can see all of this, and then let's say you are on YouTube, you can possibly visit our channel, and then you see what we are doing there. Do well to support us on this particular channel. You can see a whole lot that we are doing on this channel. We have released some new videos here. You can just simply watch and then comment on any of the videos you watched. It will go a long way to helping us do more on this particular channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Thank you.